Hi guys! Today I'm going to be talking to you about the Fat Quarter Shop Sew Sampler Box, and instead of unboxing it like other videos, I'm going to be talking to you about the last 6 months and what I think about it and whether I would continue this subscription with you. So if you would like to know more about that, stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I am Amira of thelittlemushroomcap.com, where I share my quilting journey and a little bit of inspiration and also some tutorials and sometimes a little bit of chat. This where I chat about all the quilty stuff that I really talk to you quilters about, because only quilters understand, right? Today I'm going to be talking to you about the Sew Sampler Box, and I'm going to be talking to you about the past 6 months of the Sew Sampler Box and what I think about them. If you've been thinking about subscribing them, maybe you should watch this video until the end, and also watch the unboxing videos that other quilters have done as well. I'm not going to do that in here, mainly because I don't actually get these boxes in time, because I live on the other side of the world and it takes a long time to get it to me. I oftentimes look at all the other unboxing videos because I don't mind being not surprised when I actually unbox these. I want to know what's inside. Time I open them, I actually already know what's inside them. It's not like kind of a surprise to me, but I do love the excitement that I get when I actually open these boxes still. I am going to be talking to you about the last 6 months, which is from June to November 2020, and what I've received from them that I really love, I truly love and use, and some of the things that I may not use or I think that it's not really useful to me. So I love listening to other people's opinion because it's just so much different. We do quilting differently, we have different things that we like, but there are some common things that we can share as well. So I hope you enjoy this kind of chatty videos. If you do, please don't forget to click the like button and also subscribe to the channel. In the past 6 months, from June to November 2020, there are a couple of things that I really love. So in each boxes, you'll get fabrics, you'll get notions, you get patterns, you get a block of the month. So I'm going to show you in each of that category which one is my favorite. From fabrics, my favorite has to be from the August box, which is this 2 charm pack. It's so beautiful. It's from Alison Harris, and this one, Alison Harris of cluckclucksew.com. If you have never visited her site, you have to. She was one of my inspirations when I started quilting. You should definitely check her website out. She has lots of fun tutorials and also lots of quilty goodness. So this is one of my favorite out of the 6 months. But in saying that, not that I don't like all the other fabrics. I am like other quilters. I love all kind of fabrics. For me, I don't mind all the different colors and all the different tones, all the different types. I just love fabrics. But this has to be my favorite from the boxes. This one, it comes with 2 charm packs, and I think it's just a great deal because even 1 charm pack costs you about close to $10, I think. With the box priced at $24.99 with a little bit of shipping cost, I think it's definitely a great deal. This was my favorite. I'm gonna make something out of it soon, hopefully. And then from the notions, I think I've mentioned this before a lot of time in my blog, this is my favorite. This one comes from the same box. Yeah, so that box was amazing because I love this mini rotating mat. I use them next to my sewing machine. I find that really useful to kind of trim down all the little patchwork units. I have been using it ever since I got it, so it is a bit used, but I'm definitely going to buy it if it needs to be replaced. So that was my favorite notion. However, recently we also received this in November, if I'm not mistaken. This one is in November box, which is the Bobbin Boat. I like this as well because it's very compact. You can actually put it next to your sewing machine. What I'm gonna do is actually put all the bobbins full, so you can fit 10 bobbins, and I want to have that ready before I start free machine quilting anything. So I'm going to show you some of the update when I'm using this. But right now it's like this, and I put it next to my sewing machine. I love that it's compact. I do have the bobbin donut, but I just feel that that is a bit clumsy because it's big. But this one is definitely one of my favorite. And one of the recent ones as well, we did get this. And this one is also something that I really truly like. And this is a new product by itsoemma.com, where you can get it from Fat Quarter Shop. I'm going to list all the things that I love down here so that you can also get them separately, like not from the boxes. If you are subscribed to the Sew Sampler, you can also mention whether you like the same thing. I'd love to hear from you. This one is the House Steps paper foundation piece. So basically you have all these pieces ready printed, and they're made of like a really easy to tear papers. There are 42 sheets per pad. That means you can make 42 blocks. The great thing about this is that you can make exact size blocks without worrying about it. I think in the Fat Quarter Shop they have a free sew along that is called Best Friend Quilts, if I'm not mistaken. All of the blocks are made using the foundation paper piece blocks. Okay, so that was on the notions. In terms of patterns, so each boxes comes with a pattern that suggests ways how to use your fabrics. The one that you received in your boxes is my favorite one, which is the Project Go Back, and this one is using the Quilting Life Sherry McConnell and her daughter's fabric line, which is the Balboa fabric. So I love this fabric as well, but I love the project even more, so I'm definitely going to be making this someday soon. I love that there are tips in there and it's just compact. It's just my favorite pattern out of the 6 boxes that we've received. And then also we got the blocks of the month, and you get a pattern card like this, which is very useful if you want to keep them in, like you can collect them, and then like recipe cards. So next time you want to use the blocks, there's already instructions there. It's ready for you to go. So that was what I think about all the past 6 months from June 2020 to November 2020. And definitely I'll be continuing with this subscription because I love each of the boxes, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. Make sure you click the like button if you like this kind of video. I'm thinking probably this kind of video is much easier to do, to make in the span of time that I have right now, because I'm very short in time with the little kids. But this kind of chatty videos always inspires me. Like when I watch other people chat about all the quilty goodness, I am always inspired and always kind of like looking for new stuff, and I love chatting about quilting stuff. So if you do like this kind of video as well, make sure you click the like button and click subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'm planning to grow it, but I'm on the slow path a bit, but I'm hoping that I will. So thank you for watching. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.